My name is Satwinder Singh, and today I'm going to talk to you about a very important aspect of leadership, and that is doing what you talk, doing what you tell others to do. Today we have assembly elections in Haryana, and approximately 1 week ago, I was in a fix whether to go for voting or not. I stay in Chandigarh, and Haryana is my hometown, and my vote is in Haryana. And 1 week ago, I was thinking, whether should I go or no. It's like 100 kilometers one side, 200 kilometers up and down, and obviously it involves time. So I was making all kind of excuses. I don't have time. In this time, I can do something productive for myself, and I'll be going 200 kilometers up and down. And is it justified or not? So I was in my mind, I was making excuses whether I should go or not. And I was making my mind for not going. But what happened? Just yesterday, one of my cousin brother, he called me, and he is doing job in Himachal Pradesh in Una, and he called me and asked me whether you are going for voting or not. And I told him, I am making my mind. I'm yet to take a decision on this. But in back of my mind, I had taken my decision that approximately 90% I was sure that I'm not going. And I asked him the same question, whether you're going or not. He said, yes, I'm going, because it is very important to vote. And I disconnected the phone. I said, yes, that is good. You should go, because voting is very important. But I thought at that time, what is the thing which I tell people? I tell people to vote. I myself believe it's very important to vote because it's very healthy for a democracy. If all the educated people, we vote and we choose a government, so we take an informed decision, and in fact we are a part in choosing the government. But if we do not go and vote, then we are not utilizing our right and we are not fulfilling our duty, a responsibility. So I thought to myself, I tell people to go and vote, and I myself am thinking, to bunk this thing and giving all kind of excuses. So I made my mind right away that yes, what is important for a leader? The most important thing for a leader is to do what he tells others to do. So I got ready, I picked up my car, and I straight away reached my home. And happy to announce that I voted. I have taken part in selecting the government for my state, Haryana. And so what important lesson we have here is, great leaders are not those who say things and expect others to follow. Great leaders are those who do things, because when you do things, people follow. People will not follow what you say to them, what you tell to them. People are going to follow what you do. They see you doing things and they'll do things.